I'm getting ready to go get this IUD taken out. I am not looking forward to this at all. I do not know what is about to happen. I just know that they told me that I need a driver, and you know when they tell you that you need a driver, then some shit's about to go down. What kind of shit? I don't know, but something's about to happen. And I think that's the thing that's scaring me. Digging around all up in there. Nope. Oh, shit. My earrings just be falling out. Is the back still back there? Nope. Oh, it is. I will check back in with you guys later to let you know what kind of shit went down. Okay, so the shit is they're going to put me under to remove this IUD, and I'll be here for 3 to 6 hours. I just was not expecting that. I just don't even have any words right now. Like, this is crazy. All right, it's about to go down. I'm about to slip into this down in booties and cap. I'm prepped and ready to go. So I'm waiting on Kim to come in here so that she can take me back. But I don't know if this is supposed to open in the front or back. I don't know. I'll ask her when she comes in. Crazy. So I'm out. I don't know how my body got back like this. I just feel a little weepy and dizzy. I need to wear like these big panties with a pad for 2 weeks. Like after I had a baby. Like this is crazy and so not sexy. I'm just trying to get my shit together right now, so I'm about to get dressed. All right, so I'm finally back home. They gave me this bag because I'm out of breath. I just walked up the stairs. Anyways, oh shoot, I'm losing my balance. So they gave me this bag with these pads in here, these big pads, because she asked me like, oh, what do you wear? Do you wear tampons or pads? And I was like, I wear tampons. And she was like, oh no, let me give you some pads because you can't wear tampons for 2 weeks. So I gotta wear some pads, not these necessarily, just some pads for 2 weeks. And she gave me a little pamphlet on this Paragard right here. So I'll read through that. I'm glad that's done. So that's one thing down that I needed to do. I had to swap out my birth control to a non-hormonal one. So I went ahead and did that. Bam. The next thing I need to do is meet with a plastic surgeon to discuss the options and the things that I can do or whatever with my chi-chis. And then on the 24th, I go meet with a breast surgeon to come up with the actual surgical plan and treatment plan. So all that's going on this month. I will keep you guys posted on what is going on with that, but at least this today is done. So I'm about to go get in the bed, go lay down, go relax, and call it a night. Bye.